How to fix mouse is selecting everything error. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. So if you're trying to select a certain folder or a file, but your mouse keeps selecting all of this at once, then in that case, there might be a few things wrong with your settings. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your search bar and search for mouse settings. Hit enter and your settings will pop up on your screen. Now scroll down until you find additional mouse settings and simply go ahead and click on this. Right here you'll find the buttons tab. Head over to the buttons tab, and if your click lock is enabled, make sure that this one is disabled and unselect this. Click on apply and then OK. This is the first method. The second thing that you can do here is simply go ahead and open up your device manager. Tap on the search bar and then search for device manager. Hit enter and your device manager will open up. Now from here you're going to have to find mice and other pointing device. Click on this drop down and you'll find your HID compliant mouse. Right click on it, click on update driver. Now go ahead, I'm going to browse through my computer for latest driver. Click on browse, click on next, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. Do the same for other drivers as well. Click on update and then browse, click on next, and the best driver is already installed. So after you've done that, you can also try to restart your computer, but if it's still causing the issue, disable the device or uninstall the device first. And once you've done that, restart your PC and it will automatically install all of the necessary drivers and your mouse should start working perfectly fine. But there is still a last solution that you can use. You're going to have to simply go ahead and open up your control panel and make sure that your view by icon is selected in category. Go to ease of access. Open this ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
And scroll down until you find make the keyboard easier to use. Now from the settings, make sure that this one is turned off. If the turn on mouse keys is turned on, make sure this is disabled, as well as this, the toggle keys, and finally the filter keys. Make sure all of these are turned off. Click on apply and then OK.
Always scan this
Once
section.
you have done that, just give your PC a restart and your mouse problem should be fixed. If this was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.